Stella Maris.
Osiwu.
Osiwu.
Osuiwuu. Miss. For the claimant.
No appearance of the defendant.
Yes, my lord. It appeared the defender are not in court and not represented.
Are you for the defendant?
I'm so sorry for you.
Sorry?
HC.
Can you spell it out for me?
First
for the first defendant.
Sorry.
You have another questions.
Yes.
Yes, my noble lord. My lord, the matter is slated for hearing, sir. And subject to my noble lord's convenience, we are ready.
Yes, are you ready?
I think I go to Bob, so that I think that's some answer to
I can't stand down this matter. This is a virtual hearing. Yes, let the witness be sworn.
Register. That's the only one I have. Please don't do wrong process.
Witness. Stop.
Can you hear the court?
I can't hear what she's saying, please. I can't hear the court, please.
Oh, okay. I need you to be more attentive. She's talking to
okay,
you.
No,
she wants you to
the
respond.
network is echoing, so I can't really hear. That's why.
Okay. She wants you to.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Yes.
You can hear me?
Yes, ma.
Registrar.
Yes, ma, I can hear you.
No.
Yes, ma, I can hear you.
After I repeat all the words.
Okay. I like to affirm.
Yes. Say hi. Say hi.
I, Oseji Oluwatomisin, affirm
Evidence.
that in evidence
I
shall do.
in this case.
So I didn't hear that, please.
Case. That evidence I shall give in this case.
Can you do it without the mic? It's like the mic is making
Yes,
it.
please. Yes, please. I'm here.
That evidence I shall give in this case. Evidence I shall give in this case.
The evidence I shall give in this place
Shall be. Shall be.
shall be
The truth.
the truth,
The whole. The whole.
so I didn't get that, please.
Shall be
The truth,
the whole truth. The whole truth.
the core truth. Oh, truth. I didn't.
The whole. The complete truth.
The complete truth,
And nothing. And nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth. Sorry.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the witness having affirmed. Witness. You recall you made a witness statement on oath.
I need the witness to tell me her name.
My name is Oseji Oluwatomisin, ma.
Please repeat your name to the hearing of the court.
My name is Oseji Oluwatomisin.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
You recall you made a witness statement.
That's not all. She has to. She can't just tell me her name alone. I'm recording.
Okay.
Before we get there.
As the court pleases. Please tell this honorable court where you work and your address.
Hello? Sorry, I didn't get that, please.
Tell this honorable court where you work and your address.
Okay, my address is Block B, House 4, Dolman Estate, Gadua, Abuja. That's my address. That's my address.
If that is your address, then we will not be having this virtual hearing.
That is my address. Like, that was my address at the time.
But that's not your address now.
My lord,
yes, ma'am.
Talk to your witness.
Yes,
yeah, my lord is trying to find out where you reside now, not what was stated on your witness statement. Where you are now.
Sorry, I didn't get that. She wants to know where I am now.
Yes.
Okay, the address of where I am now. Okay, 1727 Pleasure Valley Path, Oshawa, Ontario.
Thank you.
1727 Pleasure Valley Path, Oshawa, Ontario.
Ontario where?
Canada.
Thank you.
1727
Pleasure Path, Pleasure Valley Path. Path spelled pleasure. Valley, Valley. Path, Path. Oshawa,
Okay.
Ontario.
Ontario.
Yes. Canada, yes, please.
Yes.
You recall on the 18th.
What does she do for a living?
Thank you, my lord. What do you do for a living?
I'm a legal practitioner, sir. I'm a legal practitioner, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
You recall on the 18th of May, 2023, you deposed to a witness statement on oath before this honorable court. Am I correct?
You're correct, sir.
If you see this witness statement on oath, how will you recognize it?
I'll recognize it because my name is on it. My signature, I signed it before the Commissioner of Oaths.
Thank you. My lord, may I seek the leave of court just to show her from here? Please confirm if this is the witness statement on oath and that is your passport.
Yes, that is my passport and my witness statement on oath, sir.
Hmm? This is the deponent page. Please confirm that this is your signature also.
Yes, sir, that's my signature.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the witness has about 7 documents to tender before this honorable court. My lord, all these documents are pleaded and
What does she want to do with her statement on oath?
thank you.
Mr. Onifade, it's just like any hearing.
Thank you, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. Witness, what do you want to do with your witness statement on oath?
Okay, I want the court to adopt it.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, the witness haven't adopted a witness statement on oath. There are 7 documents she intends to tender, sir.
Have you?
My lord, all the documents are listed and would like to avail the court the list as it is stated in our witness statement.
Did you settle the issue of the documents with the other counsel? Is there any of the documents they're objecting to?
My lord, all the documents have been settled. They are all aware of all the documents. And prior to now, we agreed that if they have any objection to any of the documents, they will be taking it at the address stage. We had agreed with the council.
Yeah, because I'm looking at the directions that I gave. Counsel are to prior to the date agree on the documents to be admitted. Any objections to any document will be raised at the final address stage.
Yes, my lord. That's my lord's directives.
Yes.
My lord, sir, may I obliged to call the list
I have the list of documents here.
as a composition.
Those are you front-loaded 8 documents, or rather, 7 documents. Or would I say on your list? On your list of documents, you have 8.
My Lord, here, I think we have reduced them to 7.
We have reduced them to 7.
Yes. Let me see.
What are the 7 documents? So that
my Lord, the first one is the claimant medical reports from Defense Headquarters. The second one is the claimant CD.
Registrar, can one of the registrars go there so that that's the first document, yes. The second document?
My Lord, the second document is the CD of the claimant and Lieutenant Colonel Okebukola and Major Amadou.
It's listed as number what?
It's listed as number 2 in our list, yes, sir.
In your list dated what date? Because the number 2 I have, except you filed something else. The list I have here, number 2 says a copy of audio recording.
Yes, my Lord, it's the same thing. Yes, my Lord, it's the same thing with the one we have here. So the list that was attached to our read is a copy of audio recording of Lieutenant Colonel Okebukola and Major Amadou.
Is that what you're
and the claimant?
Is that what you're giving to the?
Yes, my Lord, we have brought our CD player to play it before we tender that very one.
Why I'm asking is because you mentioned a particular document. I don't know whether you said a CV. Did you mention a CV? Maybe I didn't hear you correctly.
No, my Lord, it's CD.
Okay,
audio,
CD,
yes, sir.
audio
recordings. Yes, sir. That's number 2.
Yes.
Number 3 is the claimant's letter of resignation dated 4th October.
Yes. Please hand it over to the registrar.
Number 4 is the claimant's application for. So, number 4 is a copy of first defendant interview brief dated 15th October.
Next document.
Number 5 is a copy of letter of reminder, the claimant's reminder sent through DHL to Defense Headquarters dated 20th of April 2022. Number 6 is a copy of warrant arrest of the claimant dated 25th of January 2023. 25th of January 2023. And next to it is the motion ex parte of the defendant. They are together. That's a one document. Then the number 7, the last document is an enrolled court order setting aside the warrant of arrest of the claimant, which is dated 4th of April. So 28th of April, sorry, my lord. 28th of March 2023.
What date?
The date on which you submitted to court is wrong, my lord.
What about the date on the statement on oath?
Statement of
She must have referred to it in the statement on oath.
Yes, my lord.
What paragraph and what date did you put there? Either in the statement on oath or the pleadings?
My lord, it's on paragraph 22 of our statement on oath. And inadvertently, we wrote 4th of April 2023 instead of 28th March 2023.
So what you are tendering is 28th March.
Yes, my lord. My lord, last, if not the least, is the certificate of compliance made by the witness in respect of the audio CD she's tendering. That certificate is to accompany our number 2 document, which is the audio CD.
Let the witness confirm that those are the documents she's relying on. Just mention the names.
Okay. Witness, you recall that in your witness statement on oath before this court,
Yes,
you have listed about 7 documents that you intend to tender. The first one is the medical report issued to you by defense headquarters, dated 27th of October 2021. The second one is an audio CD between you and Lieutenant Colonel Bukola and Major Amadu. The third one is your letter of resignation, dated 4th October 2021, addressed to the first defendant. The fourth one is the interview brief by the first defendant, dated 15th October 2021. The fifth one is your letter of resignation, a reminder, which is dated 20th April 2021, sent through DHL to the first defendant. And the sixth one is the CTC of your warrant of arrest obtained in the magistrate court, dated 25th October 2023, and the motion ex parte annexed. Then the seventh one is the CTC of the record of proceedings, setting aside the warrant of arrest, dated 28th of March 2023. And the last one is certificate of compliance in compliance with Section 84 of Evidence Act, Please confirm to this honorable court that those documents I mentioned are the documents that you intend to tender before this honorable court.
Yes, please. Those are the documents I intend to rely on in this court.
Yes.
My Lord, before we tender this document, we seek my noble Lord's leave to play the audio CD mentioned as the second document here, sir, so that the court will have a first scan.
Yes, you may go ahead to play the CD. The defendant's counsel has just arrived. You announce your appearance.
Hello, we're seeking.
I actually had I got the hearing somehow after the hearing today was somehow after the but also the that I made it one of sending I wasn't my thought that I have to rush back one change and be was tell my folks I apologize. I said
You go ahead and announce your appearance.
my name is Isa. Yes, my friend is in the it's me for dependence. Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, asking my noble Lord permission to play the audio CD that is listed as a number 2 document.
Yes, you may go ahead and play the CD.
Thank you, madam.
Sorry, guys. I missed your call. My phone is having issues. I just picked your phone having issues. Yes, sir.
What was the director's instruction to investigate?
He said I should report to Jos. I'm ready to go to Jos, but they've not released me. I'm ready now to go to Jos. They've not released me.
So that we can all
Your guy is aware. Commander is aware.
My friend, when you call director.
That was his instruction.
I did not tell you to call me yesterday.
To call who, sir? Hello, sir. Hello?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Okay, is that to call who, sir? No, sir. Sir. No, he said, didn't I see chief of staff call? I was like, no, sir, if I saw it, why won't I call back? Of course I'll call back, sir. I did not see it, sir. That's what I told him. I didn't hear anything.
Director did not tell you that you should call chief of staff yesterday. Hear your question, my friend.
So I did not hear that, sir. Now I'm calling you back because I saw your missed call, sir. He did not say that. He didn't tell me to call you, sir.
Listen to me. You just started this job. Are you getting my point now? The way you are going about it, you have to be very, very careful. You blocked my line. I've been calling you. You put my number on user PC. And others have been calling you. And your phone is going. Look, it's not tough. You better be very careful. Because I will charge you from here. Just shut up and listen. I have a major, 3 captains, and your cosmate as witness. So you better be very careful. Because if you require me, I will charge you. Nobody forced you to come and do the army job. Where are you now?
My office.
Where are you now?
In my office, sir.
You are just putting sir the first time you did not put sir. You should put sir the first time. Charge her for insubordination. Goni, charge her. Naka to witness this here.
I cannot see.
Who is up? This looks up. Let's see. You know, not cause response. Let me tell you about myself. I don't have a problem. I will follow the provide. But business, chance, business, I called you. So it's like, and the other one. Call me down. Okay. Just now. Yes, sir.
How much longer do we have to go?
My lord, this one is a very long. It's fairly long. It's about
I can't
20
take
minutes.
20 minutes. Just let us hear a bit of it. Some of it.
My lord, it's difficult to exactly where the major issues of contentions are because they are just audio CD. This altercation claimant.
I've said that, but I'm also conscious of the fact that we are using technology, and at any point in time, anything can go up. It can go up. That is why I'm looking at the lens and being conscious. Well, let's go on.
I'm not going to take it. Yes, you don't know where you go. Seriously. Pregnancy is not an excuse. I was in this annual and got married, but that's been defeated. Pregnancy is not an excuse for
backward because the issue of pregnancy and the state of the claimant is very crucial.
It's up to you, whatever.
My lord, so we just take it a little backward, like just a minute backward. Okay. That's all. Play it.
You don't know why you're here. I just left your office. No, my friend is crazy. Can I go take it? Honestly, I don't know. Seriously. Pregnancy is not an excuse. I was in this time when I got married, that's they need to be educated.
Not the problem.
Pregnancy is not an excuse to create that's family.
You know anything we do? Yeah? Develop other people's staff. All this noise, all these statements that should not get married until 3 years after commission.
Yes, sir.
Like, people like them depend down.
Now, when the commission you built last 2 years, 19, 20, 21, I have 3 years as I go married. Now, where the fuck? Before you the army. And nobody told you that the army does not take if you are married. It is that you are fight. Let me tell you something. You don't stand up. I don't buy it all. I was telling someone, which day? Don't start fight. Wait, let me tell you something. Don't start fight like an open. You understand? Yes, sir. The army is a system. Yes, sir. And you in this aspect, you will know better. That's man. I was telling that. Let me call me about that. I know that before that. But honestly, I have learned a lot of that.
Do you know what is annoying? Do you know what is annoying? This officer, before she joined that, I was every day. And I advised that. People stop taking it. Before she joined that, sorry. Honestly, not one thing, but I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. But the only thing.
I think that's all. I think that's all.
Linda.
It's not that in the army, don't do all that. So why not go back to the training? Honestly. Oh, that's this is a bar. Almost cost my cosmate to give Joanne or something. And then I get it. You offended. I think you did something. They called me and tried to use that I was begging. Before you know, they started writing like you leave. You don't do that in the army. That is from your training. You don't need it. Let us say they're not trained.
Let me tell you something.
You're not trained.
Even now,
It's training.
Same thing you did. When I was talking to you on phone, you repeated this way you were talking to her. She asked you a question. She said no.
It's just like that. You don't need your rules of one of the other that they are everything when I go to this.
You said no.
Answer yes, sir. No, that kind drastically without, I don't know. Where's my first talking? They say people are contributing to move. Where's my saying because
do you want to reason why I want to think it's talk? Do you know the people I want to think? Because what she doing, Yan, I advise her that look, this job, it's not because they will take you now. You now start misbehaving, you now start doing this. Am I lying?
You're not lying, sir. And so then if okay, you want to start your misbehavior, that and your call. How are you thinking this thing? I'm giving you what is that? So I find out you think what you think. Don't you let me shut up? I know that advice you back. You don't advise very well. Exactly. Yes, this job is very simple. Yes, sir, no, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Yes, sir, no, sir. Yes, sir. There's not like what's happening. Is that it? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, then.
Come on, to ask you a question. Why did you block my line?
It did not get to
So what happened? I was not getting you, but others could get you.
Speak, not speak up, sir. Let them know, sir.
That one apart. Hold on. Let me tell you something. Director called me to report yesterday.
Yes, sir.
And he told me that Lieutenant Rotiti called me now. I told her to report on Monday on feeling and that she's calling. I said yes. And I called for yesterday, your TDL. Yes, and I told you that is what I told you. And I asked whether people were in court, say people were in court or something. But I did not in court. For you to know I know what I'm saying. And I kept quiet. Yesterday passed. You did not call. Today, 8, 9, 10. You did not call me. Around after 10, that they called. Your number was you that. But that one, now you can't block anybody's number. You understand what I'm saying? But when it comes to people, you don't drag that one. You should do it. It can do. Yes. My chief of staff and commander. What time? As in your reporting officer. Hold on, no problem. David! David! You don't even know who gets that with you. If it is that period when I was on call, I was not that the Ogadema already finished everything. When I was on call, I was going to tell you can you get me the file of the external association? Okay, so after the stage of major one that is sit down. Yes, sir. So after the stage of so while I was on post, I was calling my soldiers to ensure that my chief of staff and commander signed some people was supposed to. That was the stage that next itself. That's the stage of even. How can you not understand your finger? You left your own peer. People wanting to be a peer. Yes, sir. Well, you just so what side of peer? Who reported on it? Also working with my chief of staff. What do you see? And she doesn't understand. You don't understand. Beautiful. When you write your flag picture, you write your big picture to your reporting officer. Your reporting officer reports on you and sends it to your reviewing officer. Your reviewing officer is this advance. So who reported on you? Do you understand the question? Major Greenman did the right thing. If I even left it, listen.
How much longer do we need to go?
Because I hope you can see them. So that one of them now take me. I wrote about you, and then to sign by the commander, and it was sent to this team. So the 3 people, from 8 people, yes, sir. So Major Birma was not inclusive in the writing. It was, sir. They might have written something for you about your film picture. Since you bring up, yes, sir. Now, if you want to apply for pass now, you are supposed to apply through them. From him, I applied to him for pass, sir. Yes, sir. So now we're supposed to write your PR. Major Birma, sir. No. As a deliver. Yes, sir. Good. So now we're supposed to write your PR now. You don't spend how many months to make it now? And who are you under now? So, what Captain Amadu is telling you now? When Major or Major Birma is the case begin, then it will now. Don't tell me okay. Okay, sir. You say yes, sir. Yes, sir. People just one of the people. Oh, see.
My Lord, the witness haven't identified her documents and the audio CD haven't been played to the hearing of the court. We seek to tender all these documents in evidence. But I give them one. Which one?
Yes, what is
This is our list. I thought you have this. It's the same thing. What is it?
this? To the government, Sudan, or government.
Oh my God. Here is your note. This is your most question. See this. For you have it is the same thing attached. Mm.
Another will be, if we have any objections, shall address it in tonight. We know. Thank you, Mike. Yes, ma'am. Government. They address it as the stop visit. I check on it.
No one's don't.
Please confirm it. Confirm for the gift.
Bring it, let me confirm.
Statement of differences can be
Patience. Shake down the name. Each exhibit. That's why.
one of them. They are much see it.
She want to see it. Really, this should- the last one is see it. Witness, what will you want this honorable court to do for you?
Sorry, I didn't get that.
What will you want this honorable court to do for you?
I want this honorable court to grant all my reliefs as contained in the process, in the court process.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. That would be the case. Yes, my lord. That would be the case of the claimant.
Cross-examination.
My lord. Thank you, my lord. Witness, this confirmed to this honorable court that the commission into the service of Nigerian Army as an officer on the 20th of July 2019.
You have to speak. You can't shake your head, please.
No, I cannot hear him. I'm trying to process. I cannot hear him. The mic is echoing.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, ma. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please put your question. She says she can't hear you.
No, the mic.
Witness, can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Witness, can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Thank you. Please confirm to this honorable court that the commission officer into the service of the Nigerian Army.
Yes, I was commissioned.
That is the first on the 20th July 2019.
Yes, I was commissioned into the Nigerian Army, July 2019.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Please confirm. Please confirm upon your commission that upon your commission you also took an oath of allegiance.
I didn't hear that.
Which is personally duly signed
Yes, I signed.
And you were also issued a parchment of commission. A parchment of commission.
Yes.
Signed by the president and commander-in-chief of the armed forces of Nigeria.
Yes, I confirm. Yes, I confirm that.
Okay. Now, upon being successful at the commission board, as a military officer.
Sorry, can you? The mic is echoing, so I can hardly hear. I'm trying to hard to hear.
Being successful at the commission board, you were trained.
Yeah, okay.
As a military officer.
Yes, we were trained, yes. Yes, we were trained. Thank you.
Please confirm that a few aspects of this training as a military officer entails training for endurance, perseverance, tolerance, and general discipline as an officer in the Nigerian Army.
Yes, I confirm the training for endurance on the field, sir.
Sorry, I can't. The training includes what?
You know, those training for endurance, tolerance, perseverance,
And general discipline.
and general discipline as an officer in the Nigerian Army.
Yes, I can confirm to that.
Yes.
And I also that by your training as an officer of the Nigerian Army, it is proper that the superiors in rank should check you rightly or wrongly in your assessment when you are failed or you are wrong. Proper.
Yes, I can confirm to that.
Okay. Now, okay, we got seconds. And where and still are your superior as a time which is the one other aspect of the see with them when the superior Did you hear me?
I only heard where you asked to confirm if they were my superior officers. That's where I heard.
Sorry, I haven't got the answer.
Okay, so
they were my superiors in the Nigerian Army, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Based on your story, your all-round training of the Nigerian Army, you want something that you understand as intimidation or harassment based on training as an officer, training as an
Sorry, I can't hear you. You're echoing, please.
based on your training as an officer of the Nigerian Army.
No, the mic is echoing.
It's echoing, actually. Okay, take it away from our mouth. Now, based on your I should remove it.
I should remove it.
Okay. Just like this.
Okay, just like this. Okay.
Now, based on your training
as a military officer.
My question is valid. Now, based on your training as a military officer of the
Nigerian Army,
you were of the opinion, and you want this honorable court to believe, that the exchange between you and these superior officers, as evident in Exhibit C2, you consider it intimidation and harassment. Is that so?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What exhibit? That is the CD video.
Sorry, my lord.
That's the CD.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
That's exhibit what?
C2, my lord. C2. Yes, my lord. Now, officer, witness, where Lieutenant Colonel Bukola and Major Amadou aware that you were recording them, as at the time you recorded as C2, and did they consent to such recording?
They did not know I was recording them.
Sorry?
They did not know I was recording them.
They did not know you were recording.
Yes.
Now, your dual capacity as a barrister and a gentleman on one side, and officer and a gentleman, those positions of integrity, the two positions of integrity, as a lawyer and as an officer. Is it proper? You said this us. In this capacity, you know yourself as a, is it proper to record persons without their knowledge and without their consent? Is it lawful? As a lawyer and as a military officer who is trained in the aspect of discipline.
You can answer now. Okay.
Did you hear me?
I heard this. Yeah, I heard you, yes.
As a lawyer and as a military officer, both positions of integrity and carries weight, is it proper and lawful to record persons without their knowledge and consent? I'm asking you that direct question.
It is not proper, but if I feel like my life is being threatened prior to that, I think I could have done that, because prior to those times, I've been threatened several times on several locations before that recorded CD.
My question is direct and simple. Is it lawful as a lawyer and as a military officer? Is it lawful?
Is it lawful?
Yes, is it lawful?
If my life is threatened, I should be able to record.
So it is lawful. In this circumstance now, the exchange, it's lawful.
Yes, because we didn't finish sharing the audio CD.
What you consider threat to life was the exchange before the court in Exhibit C2. Is that, or let's confirm that what you consider as threat to your life was the exchange as contained in Exhibit C2. Is that correct? As a military officer.
Threats to my life before I recorded the CD. Then in the CD,
Can you
threatened to slap me and beat me while I was pregnant in the CD, but I didn't get to that part.
Witness, Can you please repeat yourself to the CD that I'm questioning about? If I
In
go
the
to other-
CD, Major Amadu threatened to slap me and beat me in the CD, but we didn't get to that part, sir.
And they try to slap you as a military officer from your superior, shall we, or whatever, they try to slap you. It's a threat to your life as a military officer. Is that what you're telling this court with your training?
In the CD, yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Now, there are other superiors, other officers, other persons in the Nigerian Army who are superiors to Lieutenant Colonel Okebukola and Major Adamu. Is it Amadu? Major Amadu, is that correct?
Amadu, yes.
There are other superiors. Did you at any time make any formal complaints to any superior officer? Emphasis on formal complaints to any officer superior to them in respect of these acts you consider intimidation and threat to life? Do you make any formal complaints, sir?
Yes, sir. As at that time, my commander in defense headquarters, I did make a complaint, and he tried speaking with General Colonel Okebukola, but that was like a wrong step to take because it was not even better at all. I spoke to my his superior about it.
That's not my question. Did you make any formal complaints? Not I said, I told. Did you make any formal complaint? You know what a formal complaint is as a lawyer and as a military
Yes, I
officer?
do.
Do you have evidence of such formal complaints?
Sorry, you made a formal complaint to who?
I did not make a formal complaint.
Oh, you did not make a formal complaint?
No.
Okay.
Am I allowed to speak further? Should I speak further? I did not make a formal complaint because I was already threatened.
Sorry, my lord. Even if it's a virtual, it is still, I mean, counsel should actually comport themselves in doing this. My lord, my earnest friend is actually gesticulating and making signs at her. Now she has said she's not making formal complaint. And based on that, she now wants to talk for that. When I'm even going to ask the next question.
No, my lord.
What ourselves?
My lord, that's not correct. She asked whether can she speak. I said,
yes.
Speak on. That's what she asked. I said speak. I was trying to make my gesticulation to
don't make any gesticulation to her.
I actually spoke, not gesticulated. No.
Now, as an officer and a lawyer, you know the procedure of making formal complaint under the Armed Forces Act. Do you? Formal complaint against any superior who offends you. As a lawyer and a military officer, you know the procedure, the proper procedure to make a formal complaint under the Armed Forces Act 2004. Is that correct?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. When did you apply for a voluntary discharge? Is this voluntary resignation from your commission as an officer in Nigeria? What date did you, was your first application?
In 2021.
Can you be specific? What date? What's your application stated when? When?
Sorry, I want to be clear. Please, can you repeat the question?
On what date did you make your first application?
First application.
Yes, my lord. For voluntary resignation for the Nigerian Army. On what date?
15th of October 2021.
Fifteenth or 5th?
October, yes, ma'am.
15th October.
2021, my bad.
Let me confirm that.
No, 4th. It's 4th October.
I need to hear.
Did you say 15th?
Sorry, I need to hear. Just a minute. I'm going to interject here. Witness, can you hear me?
I can hear you, ma.
When did you make your first application for voluntary resignation? That's the question, I believe. Mr. Shoaib. When did you put in your first application?
5th October 2021, ma.
What October?
Is it 5th or
5th October 5. 5th October.
October 5?
Yes, ma. 2021.
Okay.
Witness. It's not actually a major issue, but just to put the record straight. I'm putting it to you. It's not material, but just to make the record straight. That your first application was 4th October. Just to remind you, 4th October 2021. Just to, it's not a material issue, but just to remind you, stated 4th of October 2021. Is that correct? Can you remember? Try to remember. Where is it?
Okay.
You correct that now?
Yes, yes.
So we'll proceed. And your second application was when? And your second application for voluntary resignation is dated when? Is that because?
I can't remember that.
You can't remember that.
I don't give a wrong date.
What's your answer?
I can't remember that, my lord. I don't want to give a wrong date.
Now that's application they refer to, just to remind you, is before this honorable court has C5. And on the list of exhibits is dated, said to be dated 20th April 2022. But in the letter itself, is dated 23rd April 2022. In the list of exhibits, be an error, is dated 20th April. But in the exhibit itself, I'm just trying to remind you because it's not material, it's dated 23rd April 2022. You're correct now?
That's exhibit what?
Exhibit C5. The exhibit itself has 23rd April. Just to remind us that no material.
Sorry, you said the date was when again? Sorry. I want to correct it.
The date on the exhibit itself.
She cannot see the exhibit.
Okay. I'm just.
She can't see the exhibit. Let her answer the questions the way she wants to answer them. If the documents are before the courts, I will see the documents. If the documents are already in evidence, I will see the document. I will see the document.
Let's apply for C5.
Sorry?
Exhibit C5. We apply for Exhibit C5. What's wrong with that?
Exhibit C5,
yes,
registrar.
That I'm just being along with C2, the two applications, so that I don't. Yes.
And those copy of my first letter of resignation. So, dated 20th. It was sent via email, sent via DHL. This is a copy of the DHL. This copy of DHL is sent. 68, 6 fragments.
We were guided by the court records. This is an email version. It's actually 28th April. People will send out that one that shows
it was
23rd April by her, by the witness. I mean, by the witness again. So, that was 3 applications. So, I love me. Keep trying to take the other one so that I don't touch back.
No. The first one. No. The first application. Let him direct it.
The first and second application. Where's the first one? So, my lord, we are guided by record of the court. The second application on record is 20th, an email of 20th April 2022. So we are guided, my lord.
Email.
I won't record that. I won't record that because all the evidence is before me. I will see it. She didn't say it.
My lord, the problem is this, sir. We already made issue of 23rd April so that the record will be clear that we recanted and said, but on the record of the court, it's actually 28th.
I will stick with the records of the court.
As God pleases.
As God pleases. Okay. Now, did you write another application on 23rd of April 2022?
I sent a reminder through DHL.
Yes, that is exhibit C5. Did you forward another application on 23rd April 2022?
I forwarded another application through DHL. The
one through DHL?
I can't hear you, please.
You forwarded another letter to DHL. Is that what you're telling the court?
I forwarded the letter through DHL, a reminder.
And when you forwarded to DHL, subsequent to the email, 23rd April 2022, is that correct?
Yes. I can't really hear you. I'm just trying to hear this thing.
Now, I don't know if you can't see the document. I don't know if it's straight to go.
You can put it on this. She will see it.
On which page?
Let's see. Can she see it?
Which page?
Because I can't now start asking her to share a screen. Put it. I'm sure she will be able to see it. Can she see it?
Because we don't have other documents want to send that to her. Please. Take a look at this document. Can you see it? Can you see it?
I cannot see any documents, please.
You can't see any documents. Please, can you help me? This internet is show her with the address, with the signature column.
Can you see this?
Yes, I can see that. I can see it.
Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Confirm that the document is just...
What exhibit is that?
What?
What
No,
exhibit?
yes.
Okay.
It's a different one of 23rd. Please confirm the letter is just seen. Is also your application for voluntary retirement forwarded to your headquarters?
Yes.
Stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
What is it? It is what? What's the document?
An application for voluntary resignation.
Yes, I sent it to the chief of army staff because
the first defendant, forwarded to the first defendant.
This is different from the one we talked about.
Once somebody applied to tender these documents, an application for voluntary resignation by Lieutenant Osaghai, dated 23rd April 2022. I'd like to tender it in evidence.
My lord, no objection. We take 24 April 2022.
The document is admitted in evidence and it is marked Exhibit L001. L001.
That's copies. Everything, yes. Now, witness. You were on terminal leave, but at the material time you were pregnant. You were on terminal leave. And the first defendant granted the terminal leave, which expired in December 2021. Is that correct?
What is the question? She was on what?
She was on terminal. She was pregnant at the material time. So she was granted terminal leave. Terminal. Maternity leave. Sorry, I'm grateful.
Terminal leave and maternity leave are two different things.
Thank you, my lord. I'm grateful. The doctor of resignation has taken me to terminal. Thank you, my lord.
Okay, put the question to the witness again.
At the material time, you were pregnant and you were granted maternity leave by the Nigerian Army. The maternity leave expired in December 2021. Is that correct?
Let her answer the first part of
the question. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
In December 2022. This.
This application was
the next question.
And the terminal leave, the maternity leave granted by the first defendant expired in December 2021. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, witness, officer, at the expiration of your terminal leave, you did not report back to your units, did you?
Not terminal.
Terminal. Sorry, my lord. At the expiration of your maternity leave, you did not return to your units. That was after you wrote your letter, application for resignation, you granted terminal leave. When the terminal leave expired, when the maternity leave expired, you did not return to your unit, did you?
The maternity leave was granted to me before I put in my resignation. Can you hear me, please?
Yes, my lord. Yes, 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 officer.
The maternity leave was granted to me before I put in my resignation, because that was the right thing to do. I was already like 8 months pregnant. So after my maternity leave, I did not return because I already assumed, since I've put in my resignation, I didn't get any response on the 3 letters I sent. So I did not return. You're correct.
So I'm correct. After the expiration of your maternity leave, you did not return to your place of duty.
Because I already put in my resignation before that time.
Because you already put in your resignation.
And I didn't get any responses.
Okay.
Yes.
That was in December 2021.
Sorry.
Now, from when you put in your resignation to December, when your maternity leave expired and you failed to come back, please tell it was how many months?
So I didn't get that many months as to what?
From when you put in your resignation, when you applied for resignation, not even put in, when you applied for resignation, from when you applied the last letter, or even the first letter, let's not even go to last. From your first letter, your first application for resignation, to the date your maternity leave expires, how long was it?
It was 7 to 8 months. 8 months.
8 months?
Yes, I applied 2021. 2021, I applied for my resignation in 2021. And in 2022, my leave was expired. That was when I put to bed. Yes.
8 months from August when you applied to December when you...
No, to 2022.
Sorry.
Please, can you put the question to the witness again?
Okay, let me put it this way.
Put the question to the
from
witness
August.
2021.
August, no, hold on.
Okay.
From 4th of October 2021. 4th of October 2021 to December 2021. 4th October 2021, when you wrote your application, your first application for voluntary resignation. To December, even the end of December 2021, when your maternity leave expired and you decided not to go back to your unit, how many months? October 2021 to the end of December 2021, how many months? Is it 8 months?
I came back in 2022. So there's no how I would have returned.
No. But you asked a question earlier. I laid the foundation. You told the court, Honorable Court.
2022, I put to bed. I saw
let me come in here.
Yes, my lord.
Because I don't want any gaps, and I seem to be having gaps.
Yes, my lord.
From when I applied for resignation to the date my maternity leave expired was how many months? Because you had said 8 months, and that was when the questions began. So I need to know from when you put in your application to resign to the period of your maternity leave was how long? That's the question.
Yes, my lord. With the background that she had already admitted that her maternity leave expired December 2021.
Let her answer the question.
Stop, please.
My maternity leave. Yes. My maternity leave.
Sorry?
My maternity leave expired in December, but my AG at that time, that's my commander at that time, still gave me till next year. That's the next year, 2022.
Believe you
because
were.
I was supposed to, yeah, but I was supposed to report in
defender.
JOS. I'm answering, please. I was supposed to report to JOS.
Now, the official leave were granted. What happened after that? Maybe you explain that. But the leave, the official leave, maternity leave you were given, expired in December 2021. There was no other form of leave that was given to you after then, before you left.
There was. After
You were given
December. After December, yes.
Do you have evidence of such formal leave given to you?
I don't have it.
Thank you.
After December, you don't have any other formal leave?
No, I don't, ma'am.
Now you left your units, or you didn't return back to your units after the maternity leave.
Sorry, can I go back to the last question?
Sorry, you know when I asked next, sorry, you have.
There's an inconsistency there because I gave it in December. Sorry, I gave it in December, so there is no
witness.
Yes.
You'll be examined. You'll be examined.
Okay,
Can I
okay.
go with my presentation?
All right. Okay, yes,
Please.
you can.
This may be, you'll be examined.
I gave it in December, so there's no way that.
Now,
okay.
In your applications, you requested for approval from the defendant or the first defendant. Is that correct? Specifically, you sought their consent and approval of your application for voluntary resignation. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Yes.
It is therefore correct, sir, that as an officer, you know that the approval and consent of ASA, of the appropriate superior authority is required of your application. You know that it's actually required.
What's your answer?
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
As an officer,
yes,
you know, because you stated in your letter, you need the approval and consent, that the approval and consent of the appropriate superior authority of the Nigerian Army of your application for voluntary resignation is required. It requires approval and consent of ASA. Is that correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sorry, I need to get that. As an officer, I know the approval and consent of
the appropriate superior authority of the defendant, of the first defendant is required. They need. Now, you did not receive such an approval and consent before you decided to leave and did not return to your unit. Did you receive the approval and consent?
My letters were not responded to, and there was no response to them. So
In summary, you did not receive the approval and consent. Maybe for 2 years, 1 year, you did not.
I did not, because I didn't get any response from any of the authorities, even from my units.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, specifically,
how much longer?
How long we get there? I'm actually getting to it.
So how long? You know, you're entitled to 40 minutes.
Okay, I'm sorry, my lord. I'm just getting to the meat of it, but I'll soon be.
So
After the meat, there's nothing left. After the meat, there's nothing left, my lord.
I'm looking at my time. You are just lucky today that this internet is
Thank you,
working.
my lord. I'm not going to touch the bone. Just the meat. Yes, my lord. Yes. Now, after your maternity leave, December, you take it back to your unit. We have it from December. Now, in your application, the first application for voluntary resignation, particularly exhibit C3, dated 4th October 2021. You gave a date within which you expected to proceed on the voluntary resignation to guide your authority in the approval and consent. You gave, you specified a date there, did you? Did you specify a date? Where so date?
Yes, I did.
Sorry, I'm using your language. With effect from so dates. You applied, you said with effect from so dates. I want to voluntarily leave the army. You stated it there.
Yes.
What exhibit is that?
Exhibit C3, my lord.
Yes.
And that date was 31st May 2022. 31st May 2022.
Yes. Yes.
31st May.
What date is 31st May?
I know the date she gave. The anticipated date she gave was 31st May 2022.
May 2022.
My lord. Yes, my lord.
2022.
Yes, my lord. Yes, I want suggested dates.
Yes.
Now let's go back to your oath of allegiance. Exhibit. Oh, it's not before the court. Okay. You confirm that you actually signed, you took an oath.
Yes.
Of allegiance. Please, if you see this oath you took, which you signed personally, if you recognize it.
Yes, I recognize it.
Please, counsel will show you this document. Confirm it is the oath of allegiance that is signed upon your commission into the Nigerian Army. Please, can you assist me? Can you set that for it?
Yes. It's my signature. I signed it. Yes, I can see it. Yes.
So it is the oath of allegiance you signed.
Yes.
Thank you. We humbly apply to tender the oath taken by the claimant, the first schedule armed forces first schedule of the Armed Forces Oath Act, taken before the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces himself. We tender it in evidence.
Any objection?
No objection, man.
Acquitted and marked exhibit L002.
My Lord, we humbly apply for it in F002. Now, before I know that you have to listen, in that
you have 10 more minutes.
As officers, I will have to skip some and just go to listen. A lot. Okay, in that oath you took, that statement made on that oath before the president, you stated on that oath, to serve the Nigerian Army as an officer for at least 8 years. On that oath, you undertook to do that for at least 8 years. Is that correct?
That's for myself, yes.
Yes. Now, from your commission on the 20th of July, 2019, so when you make your first application for retirement or resignation of 4th October 2021, or even the last application in May, in April 2022, please tell the court how many years. Is that up to 8 years? Calculate and tell the court. Is it up to 8 years?
It's not up to 8 years.
Okay. Well, just to finish with that exhibit, I'll move to the next one. Okay, can I press that? Second. Now, you also Department of Commission. Upon commission, you're also given a Department of Commission. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Sorry, upon commission.
Upon commission. Commission. Upon your
Upon
first
commission.
Commission was given what
Department of Commission.
Department of Commission.
That's correct.
You was given a Department of Commission. Please, let the court this Department of Commission you were given upon your commission as an officer of the Nigerian Army. Please, sure.
Yes. That's Department of Commission, yes.
Well, the Honorable yes. Applied to tender Department of Commission. Given to the officer upon her commission in that capacity. It's exhibited as contributed. Okay.
No objection, my lord.
Did you both of you apply to send that evidence? Yes,
English.
Documents admitted in evidence and marked exhibit L003.
Now, witness. In both exhibits, L00, L002 and 003, you have banned at an officer to obey the command and instructions of all officers placed over you, and also all subsidiary legislations or rules and regulations. Is that correct?
Placed over me.
In both Exhibit L002 and L003, you are bound as an officer to obey the command and instructions of all officers placed over you, and also all rules and regulations binding the Nigerian Army. Is that correct?
Yes, placed over me. Oh my life.
Now you are commissioned. Just continue.
Okay.
You were commissioned as an officer of the Nigerian Army in accordance with the provisions of the Armed Forces Act 2004. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Yes.
And you are also subject to the terms and conditions of service officers. Harmonized terms and conditions of service officers 2017 as then applicable. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Now you talked about exit. You talked about a warrant of arrest dated 25th January 2023, procured by the defendants on the ground that you have done death, and the record of setting aside the warrant of arrest. Are you aware that subsequent to that warrant of arrest being set aside, the Magistrate Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Court 18, issued another warrant of arrest dated 23rd May 2023. That's subsequent to the one that was set aside. 23rd of May 2023. Which state warrant of arrest against you is still subsisting to date?
I'm not aware.
You are not aware.
Yes.
And nobody has accosted you based on that subsisting warrant of arrest.
Accosted me how, please?
Try to arrest you now. Maybe accosted you, stop you somewhere, try to arrest you based on that any warrant of arrest.
Sorry, you said what?
Nobody has tried to arrest you.
Sorry.
Yes, my lord.
You know, I'm recording.
Sorry, my lord. I thought you guys should proceed.
You said that subsequent to the setting aside
of that area, yes,
that the magistrate court in the FCT,
yes, Court 18, Court 18, on 23rd May 2023.
23rd
May 2023, my lord.
Issued another warrant
of arrest against you, the claimant. And that warrant of arrest is still subsisting till date. But she's not aware.
Not aware.
Begin to round up.
Mama, is that so? Because I wanted to ask about her awareness.
Sorry?
I wanted to ask about her awareness. I wanted to ask her that she was accosted, but I think there's point. The fact that I see subsiding, if there's any evidence that you set aside to bring, but Mama, that would be all for the witness.
Re-examination.
Yes, my lord. My lord, just 2 re-examinations, sir. The time which you proceeded on maternity leave was in question. Can you tell appropriately this court the time you apply for your maternity leave?
My lord, we are objecting. My lord, we did not even ask where she applied. So this issue of not being clear or does not come in. Our question was directed at your maternity leave when it expired, the end of December 2021, and she was affirmative. So my lord, coming now to say when did you apply? It's how you know. Listen, that's just the basis of our objection. It did not arise from our question was directed at the expiration, not when she applied. That's just the basis of our objection.
My lord, sir, the question that he asked about when maternity leave expires will not be adequately answered if we don't know when she applied. And so when he was asking, there were confusion as to when she first applied for resignation and when her maternity leave also expires. So my lord, we need to ask.
I will ask the question. Why? I will allow the question because maternity leave is statutory.
Yes, my lord. It's statutory.
The time you apply is statutory. Yes, let her answer the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer the question. Put the question to her again. Let's answer.
Please state to this honorable court when you apply for your maternity leave.
So I put in another one in December because there is no way I will give birth. I give birth December 18th.
Answering the question. You are not answering the question. The question is direct.
December, ma.
When did you apply for maternity leave?
December, ma. December, ma.
Statutory.
Please tell this court. Thank you.
Thank you.
What is her answer?
December 2021.
That was when she applied for.
When you apply.
Yes. She said she applied for maternity leave in December 2021.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Secondly, there were also confusion, some ambiguity as to
I can't hear, please.
I don't want to hear that device again. I've heard the audio recording. So don't play it again. Ask her the question you want to ask. Let me hear the question and know whether it's relevant. Okay, you are talking. Okay, your device for the virtual hearing. Okay, you can use the registrar's device. Yes.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, you know.
There were ambiguity when you were answering whether there were threats in the audio message that was played, and we're trying to explain to the other that the audio message that was played, that there were abuses and harassment in the same audio message that was played.
There's no ambiguity. I disallow that question. There's no ambiguity. It doesn't arise out of cross-examination.
There were also a little bit of ambiguity as to whether you made complaint to a superior officer when this harassment persists. Can you please clear the air on complaint you made to a superior officer in respect of the harassment you received from the hospital?
There's no ambiguity. She was very clear on whether she made a formal complaint or not. Sorry, she said, let me just look at the evidence. In the CD, the threat to slap me was a threat to my life. Yes, there are other superiors to Lieutenant Colonel Okebukola and Major Amadu. No, I did not make a formal complaint. Yes, I know the procedure to make a formal complaint under the Armed Forces Act.
She was trying to explain when he said, no, you should have time to explain. And so, my Lord, it's better that she played there, that she made some complaint.
Okay, what is the complaint? Put the question to her. Yes. Let her clarify. She has already said she made no formal complaints. I've recorded her. Let her clear whatever ambiguity there is, if there is any. Let formal is formal. Let her clear the air. Yes, what is the if you make a complaint and there's no evidence? If you make a complaint and there's no evidence, does it go to any issue? Does or no issue? So I don't know what you are bothering yourself about. So what is your answer? Did she answer, or you are forgetting about the question?
I would love to speak, please.
Sorry?
I said, I know my God is tired at this point now. I don't know. What's your complaint?
So, okay. Can I speak now? Can't really hear you. Can I speak now? I can't really hear you.
Yes, I hear you.
Okay, so as a junior to my superior, and they've given you orders that you cannot make a formal complaint. And if you do, I know what the repercussion was going to be. So I couldn't make a formal complaint.
Okay. Is that the case of the claimant?
Yes.
All right. Defense. How many witnesses do you have, Mr. Shuaibu? How many witnesses do you have? One witness. Registrar, date, please, for defense. take it on that day, that means that virtual, I won't be able to take any other month because it's a virtual hearing. So maybe we'll pick how many virtual matters? Eh? That's the only virtual. I can't take a virtual matter on a day when it's too much.
I think this matter is not virtual now.
Okay, okay, so defense is not virtual. Let me Mr. Shoaibu, your witness is going to be in court. Your witness is going to be in court. Physical. The defense is physical. It's not a virtual hearing. Is it within is the course within jurisdiction or outside jurisdiction? Because we need to know because of the date. That's why we're asking whether it's a physical hearing. So you want the witness to be examined virtually? Yes, Mr. Anifadi, any objection? Yes.
We are not making an application. It is within the discussion of the court. But what I'm saying is within the court, especially since it's the court in Lagos, on court from Lagos, I'm not even the schedule, maybe 1 or 2 hours that he will be the court location to attend to court. Not that was taking this for how many days to be in court. I thought it's actually using too much constraint. I don't know if my learned friend is so comfortable with visual in putting his screen before the court. But he's suddenly so uncomfortable with visual in the house coming at the first.
Why he's complaining is because when he initially applied for virtual, you opposed it. That is the reason why he feels that he must also oppose your application.
It's mutual. Every application by either party in this matter, harmless, simply harmless. Which not be.
I will.
More importantly, he's in the country, my lord. That's just why. Since he's in the country, let him come.
He said that the witness is on course.
We can grant him.
Except if he wants to provide, maybe write to them and provide the funds for him to fly to the
For Nigerian Army, we'll provide for Nigerian Army.
in the country.
He's not here in his capacity.
So my lord, that's our application. We have the right to object to it. And
He's not here.
We are bound by the discretion of the courts. But that's our humble application that we fully apply. That we should be taken virtually.
To be fair to both parties, I will give an order for virtual hearing.
As God please. Let's see, I'm making coming. We surface. He's in the country. Our own mechanism. It's just different.
Application for virtual hearing for defense witness is granted. Since it's a virtual, 20th of October, that would be the only thing. 20th is the Tuesday. It's better to be on a Wednesday. I can do it on a Wednesday. That's about 12. So, since it's virtual, I can do it on a Thursday. Because it's virtual. October 21.
About 21 would have been
I don't know if you can accommodate for 20th.
Sorry?
I don't know if you can accommodate for 20th. 21 is actually before my lord got one.
No, I can't do it. October 20 is a Tuesday. I have so many matters, and this is just the virtual.
Is that you can accommodate just like we did today? Especially if you can accommodate just like we did today. I'm in this same court before my lord, the honorable president of the NSCN, in court one here. So if we can,
when?
That's at 21, my lord.
So we put this one for 12 o'clock.
As places.
But if you are here, okay, if your witness is in Abuja, then
my lord, I was just going to say between now and October is about 3 or 4 months. We are saying that if by October 21 he would have been back from his course, it should be physical. It's going to.
I've already granted the order for virtual. Why are you running away from virtual, Mr. Onifade?
I know we are not running away. We felt it's better, actually. Felt it's better.
Since we
felt it's better.
Since he's asking for virtual, it is only fair. If he didn't, there are counsel who don't ask for it. They don't bother. But if a counsel asks for virtual, when the other party has also had the opportunity of a virtual hearing, then it then looks as if there's something untoward, and there's nothing.
There's nothing.
There's nothing. It's only that, you look at the technology and hope that on that day you have a very good day, because today is a very good day. There's no breakage.
And my lord will be able to observe the demeanor of the witness very well if it's physical. No, that's not argument.
But I also observe the demeanor of your witness. I can see the witness. So what is good for the goose is good for the gander, whatever. You don't want a situation where one party was granted a virtual hearing and the other party was denied a virtual hearing. That doesn't look very good for your clients.
As the court pleases.
Doesn't look very good.
As the court pleases.
But of course, on that day, Mr. Schreiber may come and say, the witness is here, we do it physical. You never know.
I'm not an internet person. That would be blood in my heart. If you see a physical that, I'll be happy. I prefer that, confronting my witness and but then it is what it is, my lord.
So what date? Okay.
21st, I know.
21st convenient, 21st will be by 12 noon.
Yes, it's convenient.
So just you follow the directions, counsel to be in court with their devices. If the witness happens to be around, then the witness can come.
That's what it is. We are very grateful. Once again, we apologize for coming to court and this. But we're just a government.
Sorry.
Very much. I apologize.
Taking my Lord's battery and my Lord's data. Your apology should be more. It's your time. 12 minutes. Yeah. So, number. Yeah. As a copy. We are grateful to my noble Lord, sir. We felt we should apologize not just for my noble Lord's battery, but for my noble Lord's data too. My Lord, I expended. Oh. Wow. Oh. And, oh. It's understandable. We thank my noble Lord for the patience.